Hello friends, my name is Manish and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel DigiQuotient. In today's lecture, I am going to tell you how you can remove the word category from your URL, from your permalink. So I will show you how you can easily remove this word category from your particular niche, that is the healthcare. As you can see, this is my website pacificmart.org. You can see the URL here, and after that there is a word category, and after that my niche comes. So I want to remove this word category from here, and I want my URL to be pacificmart.org/healthcare only. Anyways, this one is my website and it's an affiliate website. If you buy some product, you can buy any product you like in health category, most gifted category, smart gadget and consumer electronics. Like these categories are segregated from 12 billion, from an inventory of 12 billion products of Amazon. So I have done a lot of work in segregating these items for you. So if you like, you can purchase these things. Of course, this is an affiliate website, so I will get a commission if you buy from here. So now let's come to the topic and let's get started. So to remove the word category from our URL, we will go to the dashboard and click here on plugins, click on add new plugin. We will need to install a plugin to remove the word category from our URL. So we will type here remove category URL, and the first plugin that shows here, which have 70,000 plus active installation, you have to click on that. You have to install this plugin. So click on install now. As the plugin is installed, click on activate. So now let's check our URL whether it has changed from this or not. So I will refresh this page. Okay, done. Now you can see the word category has been removed from my permalink, and the URL is now SEO friendly. As you can clearly see, it is pacificmart.org/healthcare. that is the particular category, or you can say the particular niche. And we have also make this URL SEO friendly. We can check other categories also, like I click on most gifted item. Here also you can see the word category has gone and the URL is now SEO friendly. Now I click on women care. These are the products in women care, but you can see the word category has gone from the URL, and now this URL is totally SEO friendly. So if you like this video, please hit the bell icon and click on subscribe button, so that you don't miss any further videos in this series that I am going to upload. And please like the video and share it as much as possible for the good cause. Thanks for watching.